Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. I am Joyo and in today's video I'm going to show you all my everyday flawless makeup look. This is very easy, very lightweight, very quick to do, and if you're an oily type then this is like perfect for you because it's going to last throughout. So if you have the time to spare, please watch this video till the end, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. My skin is already prepped, and if you guys want to know how I do it, check the link right above. Also, I'm going to start by using a blush. So this is a water tint which I like to use before my makeup, before anything else. So this is the first step in my makeup routine. This is the Water Fit tint from Face Shop, and this is in the shade, I guess, Cherry. I'll link it down in the description for you guys. So what I like to do is, okay, the most important thing is that whenever you apply tints, make sure you blend it really quick, because if you don't, it's going to leave a patch on your cheek. So I just apply to the high points of my face and then just blend it out. So it gives a nice lifted look to your face. And then the remaining I blend it towards the front side to give a little flushed look. You see, it looks so cute. Now I'm going to move on to the concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. So guys, I like to use this one. It is very dark, but I like to use it because it's warm tone. So usually if you'll see for color correction, you use the color orange under your dark circle, like on your dark circles, on your marks and all. But what happens is if you don't blend it well, it can peek through your makeup. So this is something that still gives you full coverage. It covers your pigmentation and all the marks that you have, even your dark circles, and on that when you apply the foundation, it looks absolutely flawless. Like, trust me, you have to try this technique out. So like, according to my skin tone, this shade is perfect, but if you can check what your skin tone is if you can check what your skin tone is, and according to that, if you can find something, that would be great. So I take very little, okay, like, because this is so dark, so I like to apply it here on the inner corners, in my brow, on my nose, around my mouth, and a little over here. So guys, as you will notice throughout the video that most of the time I only use my fingers. Like, I think fingers are best for me because it gives me that flawless finish. So now I'm just blend it out. So I'd like to blend it upwards, so that again you get that lifted look and it's not droopy. And the remaining just apply it on your eyelids, on the inner corner, around your brows. Blend, guys, just blend. Meaning you can just spread it if you feel you have a little mark. Like, my marks don't bother me, like I have them here and here because of my PCOD that I had. But other than that, I think I'm good. I don't mind if my marks peek through. We are human beings, guys. Now all of this just shouldn't matter. You should do makeup just to look a little even. Like that's how I do it. I wear it like an accessory to my clothing, and that's it. Like I don't care if my skin peeks through or if I'm just bare skin. I just don't care. So guys, as you can see, it's a little darker on my skin tone, but now I even it out by using my foundation. So I use the Smashbox foundation in the shade 2.3. I think this is their studio finish foundation, and trust me guys, this is the best foundation. Like I bought it as a sample first. They come with a sample now, and like you can buy the smaller mini version of it, and oh my god you guys, I loved it so much. Now my skin is oily. I came to Mumbai, my skin was going through different changes, and that foundation just stayed. It looks flawless on me, and it lasts like a dream. Like even if you feel oily, even if you sweat, all you need to do is dab it out. That's it. And that foundation doesn't move, and it doesn't get cakey, it doesn't oxidize. It's the best foundation, and that's why I invested in the bigger bottle, because it was so worth it. But then your girl dropped it. Like imagine my heart just went like this when I dropped it. Like I'm like, oh my god. And then so instead of throwing it away, how much ever that was left in that bottle, I transferred it to this container, empty container that I had, and yeah, and I'm using it. Now Nykaa's sale is coming, so I hope I get a better offer so I can repurchase it. But oh my god, I was about to cry. It was so sad when I dropped it. Anyways, I love this, and the best part was I got my exact shade, so it's perfect. So what I like to do is I take a little on my finger. See, again, I use only my fingers, and I apply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Like, bas. Itna hi chahiye. Guys, make sure you blend your foundation really well to get that flawless finish as if it's your skin. And as you all can see, my marks are peeking through a bit because I'm wearing very light coverage. You can build up on this foundation if you want to, but I like it this way. Like I don't care if my marks are visible. We are human beings. It's completely fine, and you should be fine with it too, because why are you wearing makeup? You need to know that. You need to answer yourself that first. If the answer is positive, that's when you decide to do makeup. Otherwise, you shouldn't. To cover something up, no, it's a big no. Even if you're trying to do it for a guy, no, because someday he's going to see you without makeup, and if he doesn't like you like in your natural skin, you're going to be really disappointed. It's going to break your heart. Why put yourself there, girl? Like, come on. So just, if somebody's going to love you for your natural skin, be with that guy. So guys, to set this all up, I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and this is in the shade Light. Now this is something that I'm obsessed with. I've bought it so many times, and this is the only powder that I use because it's so light, it's not heavy, it actually lasts longer and helps your makeup stay as it is. What I do is, I just take a little on my beauty blender and I apply it under my eyes. Around my mouth, my cheek, forehead. There's no specific way that I apply this. Like other than that, I just apply it wherever it's most required. And now I just blend it all out. So usually I get oily over here and over here, so this helps keep it at bay. So for my second last step, I like to use this brow gel. This is from Benefit. This is the mini version, and as you can see, I've used it a lot. So I just use this to shape it. So I don't do eyebrows. I just lift them up. That's it. Like legit. Bas. Ho gaya. Itna. That's all I do. And just a little on my eyes. So so I get that natural lift to my eyelashes. Its entire face makeup is done, but it's incomplete without a lipstick. So I like to use a Smashbox lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. This is my favorite lipstick and I'm obsessed with it. I keep using this every day no matter what. Like, I'm that obsessed. Like, I cannot stop using this lipstick. So I apply very little and then I blend it out with my finger. So blending it out with your finger helps the lipstick get sunk in into your creases. So guys, let me tell you all, I did have a lip balm below, okay? So make sure before you start with your makeup, your lip balm needs to be there so that your lips are prepared for the lipstick. Because these are matte lipsticks, they can dry out your lips. So make sure you do apply a lip balm before. So sometimes I like to keep my lips just like this and I am good, I am done. But otherwise, I would like to mix it with a shade. And this is from Ofra, this is in the shade Miami Fever. And then I apply very little of this to add that extra warmth to my lips. Just with a tissue like this, just dab out the excess. Just a little because these lipsticks are too good. And I am done. You see how flawless this looks? So I also would like to end it by using the Wella Oil Reflection Serum. I use all of this a lot on daily basis. So just a little serum over my hair. Give it that shine. And then the remaining I will just apply on my eyebrows. So it gives a nice darker finish. And yeah, I am done, you guys. So this is the finished look, you guys. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. Very easy to do. Minimum products used. And if you don't have the products that I'm using, you can use whichever you have at your place, okay? It's not like compulsion you need this. It's just the technique that I use that you should apply in your life. And trust me, it's a game changer. Like, you will feel amazing. This feels so lightweight and it stays throughout the day. And this can be a base for your glam makeup look. Now you can go ahead and apply some highlighter, do some eyeshadow looks, eyeliner, kajal, whatever you feel like. So this can be your base for it. But other than that, I love this. This is something that I wear to parties as well because I love very minimum makeup. As you can see, it looks amazing. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed it, definitely give this a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram as well. So yeah, thank you guys. See you until next time. Bye.